Okay, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am Siddhartha Shikhar Vishwas, Department of English, Methodology, Ability, Police. Today I want to introduce the syllabus of fourth year, Part 4, B Honors, Department of English. And my dear students, you know that syllabus, to know the syllabus accurately is a very good matter for every student and every teacher. Now, I want to introduce you the syllabus for you. 19th century novel, 20th century poetry, modern drama, 20th century novel, American poetry, American literature, fiction and drama, classics in translation, literary criticism, which I conducted in the previous classes, from Victorian to modern age, continental literature, or approaches and methods of language teaching, and Viva Voce. Viva Voce contains 100 marks. 19th century novel 100 marks, contains 100 marks, 4 credits. 20th century poetry contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Modern drama contains 100 marks, 4 credits. 20th century novel contains 100 marks, 4 credits. American poetry contains 100 marks, 4 credits. American literature, fiction and drama contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Classics in translation contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Literary criticism from Victorian to modern contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Continental literature contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Or approaches and modern methods of language teaching contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Biology contains 100 marks, 4 credits. Total 1000 marks. My dear students, this is very important for you, that I hope that the syllabus of BA Part 4, BA Honors Part 4 in English department is very important, and you must know paper code 19th century novel, 19th century novel, paper code 241101, 20th century poetry, paper code 241103. Such type of 241101, 241103, 2400, 241105, 241107, 241109, 241111, 241113, 241115, 241117, 241119, 241120. Viva Voce. I hope that you have obtained the marks distribution and paper code, paper title, etc. very well. My dear students, I have already conducted the class of 20th century poetry, American poetry, and literary criticism. These are the paper title of the fourth year, which I conducted in the previous classes. American poetry and 20th century poetry I have already conducted, and You know that that is very important. American poetry, which includes the American culture, American language, American environment, American literary movement, American dream, etc., which is actually related to America. That is called American literature or American poetry. The poetry which is related to America is called American poetry, and the literature which is related to America, which is called American literature. American literature is divided into part: fiction and drama. My dear student, you should know the 20th century poetry, the paper title, the paper title 20th century poetry, and the poet is W.B. Yeats. The name of the poem is The Lake Isle of Mystery, Easter 1916. The Second Coming, Sailing to Byzantium. T.S. Eliot, another modern poet. His poems, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Wasteland. Dylan Thomas, Poem in October. Sylvia Plath, Morning Sun. Words, The River Crossing the Water. My dear students, now I want to analyze the American poetry. The poet is Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson's Wild Nights. One of the poem. Another poem, I felt funeral in my brain. Another poem, I taste a legion. William Whitman, when lilacs last at my door are blown. O Captain, my Captain. Robert Frost, after apple picking, the verses. Another poem is Mending Wall. The death of the hired man, road not taken. Acquainted with the night, cheer my window. Lansdowne Hughes, the Negro speaks of rivers. I to sing, Mary, the weary blues and Harlem. My dear students, and literary criticism is Matthew Arnold's The Study of Poetry, T.S. Eliot's The Metaphysical Poets, Edward Said Introduction to Culture and Imperialism, Terry Eagleton The Rise of English. My dear student, you should prepare all papers of this syllabus, and you should read all poems, all novels, all fictions, all literary activities of put there very nicely. Thank you very much.